If you have a pattern that wants you to fasten off, you will leave a long tail. You will want to cut your yarn, and that's going to create the tail. Depending what you're going to do with that piece will determine how long the tail should be. If you're simply finishing off the piece, if you're done with it, a good rule is to leave between 4 to 6 inches. But if you're going to be attaching it to another piece, you would want to make it about 3 times as long as this length here. For this example, I'm not going to be attaching it to anything else, so I'm just going to cut my yarn. And we'll make it here. So to fasten off, what you will do is yarn over and bring your yarn through your loop all the way through. That is going to create a knot, which is going to make it nice and secure. And that is how you fasten off.